Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's 3-day sale from 11/13 to 11/15. That ends on Saturday. You can pick up some 5 off 25 deals along with this. Plus, don't forget the clearance starts on Friday the 13th. Ooh. So guys, it is some more clearance visuals that is here on the table. I am really thinking about grabbing a couple of items. I think this is so cute and I never saw that. So right about now, I think it's 20% off. That's so all of these items are really nice. But I think it's 25% off. I'm going to scan a couple of items so that you can see that it's 25% and not 50%. Because if it was 50, I would have picked that up. And as you can see, that's $2.25 and it was $3. So that little cup right there is $3. And let's see. So this will prove right here. Yes. So it's 25% off. I'm really waiting for the fall to go on clearance period with 50%. It's not coming up, and the guy did say he believes it's 25% off also. Now I hear some places are doing 50% off. If so, you guys got it made because we do not have that. Now here's a couple of the kitchen mats right here that I really enjoy. But really, they want $15 for them. That's a little steep, guys. If you can wait, go ahead on and wait until these go even lower, okay? Because I did buy some of those bath mats and I only paid like $2 for them. So I'm not going to grab those. But here it is. See, Harvest Home, buy one, get one 50% off. I just don't think that it's really a good sale. So right now, I'm not going to do it. We're here right now, guys, at the 3-day sale. The Scott Tissue. Remember, I told you to hold off if you can. It is $2.75. Then we have a $1 off manufacturer coupon. Then it is a spend 15, get $3 off. Now, how can you do this? $2.75 times 6 is $16.50. But let's see if we could do it another way. That's 13, so that's not enough. So we would have to do that. And then you're going to take, so you'll pay $12.50, divide that by 6, $2.08 if you can find 6 packs. I only found 4 packs, so I picked the 4 packs up plus that 5 count. And guess what, guys? It got cheaper. So let's look at this again, because remember that one for $5 is 12 count in there. So you're really coming out to the same amount. It's $16, so it's 50 cents less. Okay. $2.40. But that is a 12-pack of tissue. So you're really coming back out to $2.08. Now, don't forget the Arm & Hammer is 2 for $6 or $3 each. Now, they're originally $4.25, but the 3-day sale makes them 2 for $6. If you want to use that with 5 off 25, you need to put it in as $4.25. So as you can see it's 2 for $6 and then $2.75. That is a Dollar General instant. Now look at the Mr. Cleans, guys. I want to show you something. I'm going to scan this lemon one and let's look at what's going on right here. When we scan the lemon Mr. Clean. $5, right? No coupon. It does not have a coupon attached to it. Now, when we scan the one with Gain, there it is. It has a $2 coupon attached. So the lemon, no. The Gain, Mr. Clean with Gain, yes. And then I believe with the Unstoppable also, they have a $2 coupon. So make sure you take a look at that. So Gain, not the lemon, Gain, and then the Unstoppable also. So let's look at that one. That's why it's important to scan your product. Okay, there you go. And it's a $2. That lemon one, which I like, and it smells awesome. Now, here we are over here by the RC. They're 5 for $5, meaning they are $1 each if you buy 5 at one time. This, guys, the holidays is coming up. It's so much going on. So I'm going to grab these because as of now, I do need these for a couple of get-togethers that I am having with some friends and family. I am going to my first friend Thanksgiving. I cannot wait. It's going to be on the 22nd, guys. Wish me luck. Okay. Now, look at your clearances, guys. Look at your clearances. They moved a lot of the clearance stuff from the back to the front because I showed you all of these, but some of the boxes are gone. I got to get there early in the morning on Friday because I am really fiending for that Dove soap. That would be awesome to go in my care packages for Christmas. So the games are still here, guys. Let's talk about stocking up. It's stock up time when it's clearance time, but it's also stock up today if you can get that Scott tissue stock up on it. Now, the pure leaf was 2 for $4, but the Arizona teas are actually $2 each. So I'm actually going to just grab me 2 of those, and there'll be 2 for $4 also. So I'm not really missing out on a deal, and I'd rather have Arizona tea than that pure leaf, that other tea, that True Life or whatever it is. Now, these are buy 2, get 1 free at... So let's look at they are buy 2, get 1 free. So these are $3 each. You're going to pick up 3 of them. They're going to give you 1 for free. So that makes them $2 each for those right there. And they are the ones that say True Living. Now, the toys, guys. The toys are buy 1, get 1 50% off. And also buy 1, get 1 75% off. But we need to look at the dots on them. So the blue dots are not. And as you can see, look at the dinosaurs. Ugh, that little snake can't count. I got to get it from my nephew, though. But so they're $15. So now, so here it is. The buy 1, get 1 75% off. But it is blue star, yellow star, orange star. That is a blue circle. What I have. So those are blue star, yellow star, and yellow dots, I believe. Buy 1, get 1 75% off. So the way it would go if it was a blue star, then it would be $15 down to 7.5 because you get the 50% off. Then you take another half that again and you get that, it would be $3.75. But those are not the ones, guys. So be careful of the toys that you pick up. They are the stars. That is a blue circle, so that would not be one. But if you get up to $75, you get an extra 25% off. That would make it buy 1, get 1 75% off. So just a little bit of couponing math, if you want to say. But these need batteries. Perfect. Start stacking up for the kiddios. Now we can start looking at, I have the sodas in here. I have the 2 for $6 Arm & Hammer. Then I do have the utensils, and I did pick up some more, guys. So I ended up with 6. I figured I needed a little more. I did need a sink stopper. Mine, I don't know what happened to it. And then we have a couple of the teas are in there, the Scott tissue. That is your stock up. That is your takeaway from this 3-day sale. That Scott tissue is the takeaway, and the Arm & Hammer. But we have gotten the Arm & Hammer for $2, so I'm not really thrilled. But because I'm doing care baskets, I could grab that. These are 2 for $4 right here. Okay. Then you want to make sure that when you're doing this, that you see what's in your cart, guys. Now, you also can look at a couple of the home event sales. They are buy 1, get 1 free on the wall clocks. Another stock up for Christmas. These are more stock up for Christmas deals that you all can grab. Then it is buy 1, get 1 free on the lamps also. So though all of these are stock up prices. And remember, you could use them on your 5 off of 25 on Saturday. This is the table. Let's see. She was adding more to the table. So let me see what else is on here that she added. Okay, she added on that Nutris. We saw that she moved those drinks from the back to the front. So this store usually stock up on goods first. All right, guys, make sure you hit like, subscribe, share Ivy's coupon count. Bye.